So we're getting wood from up by the driveway. Pretty wore out already. This is only my first load. My husband's son Brett was here earlier and they did 3 loads prior to this. And now we're on the 4th load for my husband. And I'm just sitting in here because I'm really drained. He's got a sliver in his foot, or his finger. I'm gonna try to get out. Gotta make him another glass of tea. So I'm taking you guys out. I do not like them darn stink bugs. Got all kinds of them everywhere. Darn ducks. Need to like go somewhere. So I watered everything, and then there was another one that sprouted, and there's another one sprouting in this one, which I wasn't aware. I planted 2 in there, but maybe I did. And still nothing of anything else coming up. Oh, maybe. What is that? It's something trying to sprout. What is that? A daisy? Is that what that is? No. That's like, nothing. I was like, oh yay! Not. No zucchini looks like it's sprouted yet. No cricket and yellow. None of those. We've got our second set of leaves coming on, which is nice. These are the cherries. And look at the cilantro is doing pretty good. There's quite a few that has came up. And then the basil. And then I noticed down here that we had right there. Actually, I wonder if I can move that up here. Do I have enough room? Can I squish some? If I scoot them? I mean, I do have some dead ones I could take out. Get right there because they're dead. This one's dead. That one can come out. This one's dead. That one can come out. This one got like rolled over or something. I'm not sure. But we'll try to... No, I think it's gonna die probably. It acts like it's broke. But I mean, we'll try. So we'll keep it right there. Slide all these forward. This one is dead. Like I said, we'll keep sliding them forward. This one's dead. This one is dead. Man, we lost a lot of those. Put that forward. Put this forward. Put this one forward. I don't know why. For some reason, the water wants to sit down there. But we did have right here. This one has a sprout in it. You see? A sprout. So that's dill. I think that was it of the stuff that sprouted this way. I got a feeling like this is going to have to be watered again. I just watered them today. But still nothing down there. And then come up here. Still no sprouts. No sprouts. Got my 3 hollyhocks. I know I watered this, and these things are like dry as can be. What in the world? Those are pretty dry too, all my I forgot what those are. My zinnias, yeah. I was going to say astebias, but that's not what they were. I'm going to have to water those again. I watered them already today. I don't understand why they're so dry. Mango, what are you talking about, girl? Huh? I have this whole thing full of water. Bugs flying around my hair. We got rain coming tomorrow, but so I know that they'll be good for like having rain and whatnot. I want to like clean this out, but I'm afraid if I do, the chickens are going to be like all over it. See, I got blooms over there, and I didn't even notice it. I'm afraid to walk in here because I got flowers everywhere. But see them, my little daisies? They're everywhere. I'm going to take you guys down here real quick. I got food cooking in the oven, chicken legs and chicken wings. Whew. That slipped and fell, but my elderberries here. Look at that. They have flowers on them starting all over them. Look. Isn't that pretty? Elderberries. And it'll be nice big flowers. This is dead. So is this. Those need to be trimmed away. And I got partial dead one right here. But this one is good. It came back. So I need to cut that dead stuff away. This is one that I ordered from Stark Bros, and it's got flowers on it. This one does not, but part of it's dead, and that's okay. At least part of it came back. That one don't have flowers. This one don't look like it's got flowers either, and these are the ones from Stark Bros. These ones got flowers. These ones got flowers. These are mature ones, though, that were here when we bought the property. I just moved them. Then I noticed that I actually had some more that I must have missed the roots because they came back. We got nice green leaves on our trees. These are fruit trees. This is a Red Delicious. This is a Granny Smith, my husband's. My grapevine I don't think is coming back. I want to get more grapevines. Just really plant them on there. My husband's little bitty Granny Smith. My Red Delicious. My other one. I'm not sure. Last year it didn't, I don't think, got any flowers on it. And then this is a cherry. I gotta watch where I walk over here. I'll step on my blueberry plants. But it's got nice leaves on it. And right there's my blueberry bush. And I do got some right down there. And then there's one over there. And then this was the other one, but the deer ate it. And I don't think it's coming back. And then this one is just opening up, it looks like. It looks like it's going to have flowers open up on it. Don't that look like flowers? I think so. I actually got a nectar off this one last year. See, I didn't think this was gonna live, but it's starting to get buds on it because it was broke. Yeah, it's got quite a few on it still, so that's good. I don't know what to spray on them to keep the bugs off them. That's all natural. I'm gonna have to get me 3 more grapevines. Hopefully we'll get going. I cut that up today to get that off of this is my asparagus patch. And I want to rake this up so I could see what's underneath of it, but I'm afraid to because then the chickens and ducks will be down here eating all my stuff. And I don't want that yet. My husband says he's going to get a temporary pen put up to put the ducks in because he's tired of them eating the cat food. They're getting up on the porch eating the cat food. They're eating the cat food down by the barn. I mean, it's not good. Now last year, I think I put this insect killer dust. Kills over 150 listed insects. See, for fruits and vegetables. So I could probably put this on the fruit trees, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so that'd be no good. You want to put it on like if I would have thought about it earlier. There's a lot of stuff coming up in here that I planted last year. This bed should be full of flowers. I even got some lilies, it looks like, coming up. And the 2 big lilies back there that my mother-in-law gave me. And this is my autumn bush right here. What's left of it anyways. And then my rosemary. This is supposed to be my herb bed. Thinking of that, I need to see if we got eggs. I seen this guy right here mounting one of them females. Look at that. No eggs today. You're fired. You are fired. Where's the eggs? Huh? You're fired. You're fired. Where's the eggs? Thank you everybody for watching. Till next time. God bless.